Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Astrill VPN subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website on Astrill VPN, and once you visit on the official website you need to log in into your account. And once you logged in into your account, what you have to do, you need to click on your profile icon and you need to select go to member zone. Okay, and once you select member go to zone, or you can also see your subscription details over on this option where your name is printed. You can also select this option. When you select go to member zone, then you can scroll down and you will see your subscription membership is you can say like details is available. In my case this is showing like extend now, but in your case it will showing like cancel or edit your subscription. You can cancel it anytime. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your Astrill VPN subscription. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.